Hello, I'm Dario, and today we'll be showing you this Ford Transit Connect L1 panel van in limited trim, and I'll give you all the reason why this will be a perfect purchase for you or your company. First of all, this van, like all our vehicle, has undergone and passed 128 check inspection by AA, comes with 3 months AA warranty. You can extend it here at the dealership up to 1 year, 2 years or 3 years. You also get 1 year of roadside assistance with a single call-out. If you wish to have more call-outs, you can ask us here at the dealership. The paint of the vehicle is protected by a triple-layer Gardex nano coat, which means the solar silver this vehicle is painted on will be protected from tree-sop, rain, acidity for a long time. As I mentioned, the vehicle comes with limited trims, which means you get color-coded front bumpers with fog lights. The grille at the front has a glossy black finish. You get color-coded side trims and panels, and also color-coded power fold mirrors. The alloys are 16 inches and are painted in bright silver. Here at the back you can see the fuel cap with the AdBlue cap. At the back you got a barn-style door. On the bumper you can see the parking sensors spanning the whole width of the bumper. On the left side you can see the sliding door, and again you can see the power fold mirrors. Let's show you the cargo bay now. Here it is, one of the most important bits of this vehicle. As I mentioned, this one is an L1, which means you get a cargo bay with a length of 158 centimeters. As you can see, it's quite a regular shape, and the width at the wheel arches is 120 centimeters, while the height of the cargo bay at the lowest point is 127. All the doors are ply-lined with wood finish, while the flooring is covered with rubberized ply lining. I'll show you one neat feature that this cargo bay holds. Here at the passenger side, the factory metal bulkhead is fitted with a load-through hatch, which once you recline the front passenger seat will add you up to 45 centimeters of more length to your cargo bay. Let's get into the cabin now. Once you open the door, you can see the bright finish on the door handle and the massive storage unit on the door cart. You can also see the controls for the power mirrors, power windows, central locking unit. Getting into the cabin, you're welcomed by these lovely charcoal finish fabric seats. The driver's seat is fully adjustable with adjustable headrest as well. And you get a two-passenger bench on the passenger side. A couple more storage solutions, both on the door cart, the massive glove box, and right in front of the passengers. Once you get in, being this a trended trim, you get keyless ignition with the start and stop button on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. A lovely dashboard with a trip computer, which can be customized to see any information you prefer. You can even see the phone details. On the steering wheel itself, you get the multifunction controls. On the left for the trip computer, on the right for the infotainment and calls and voice controls. The vehicle is also fitted with cruise controls, and you can see all the settings here on the lower left of the steering wheel. The indicator stalk is on the left, as usual, and the wiper stalk, as you can see, it has an automatic function and it's located on the right. Talking about lights, here's all the controls with front and rear fog lights, automatic headlight control, height control for the headlights, and individual control for the dimming of the dashboard. Going over to the infotainment, you can see the color screen radio with Bluetooth functionality. Just underneath it, you can see there is a wireless charging shelf if your phone is compatible, which means you get to connect your phone with Bluetooth and not lose battery over it. And then underneath it, there is the AC unit with driver seat heated setting. This one is a three-step one. You get heated mirrors and heated windscreen. This one is the quick electric one. You get the start and stop deactivation button. And on the left, you get an eco mode button, traction control toggle, and as you can see, this one is fitted with an 8-gear automatic transmission, which has Tiptronic functionality. And here it is, the Ford Transit Connect Trend, and all the reason why it will be a perfect purchase for you. If you have any inquiries, feel free to call us.